showing you pumpkin and orange soup. Butter and oil, onions, some pumpkin. Now I can get a very good aroma. It's time to add water to it and some salt. I'm going to close in the lid and pressure cook until it becomes soft. I'll switch off the flame and allow it to cool. Now I'm going to grate some ginger and some orange zest. After adding the zest and the ginger, I would allow it to boil for 5 minutes. Now I'll switch off the flame and puree this. And some pepper and some more salt. When this starts boiling, I'll switch it off. While serving, I'm going to add in the orange juice to it. This is the yummy soup. For more recipes, like and subscribe SPL Foods.